What?
Dito. Parin eh.
Kuna. Eben, kuna daw.
Let's go! Heaven, where are you going then? Heaven, saan ka mapunta? Where are you gonna go? Oh, what the hell? You're gonna go DTC? Paul, no, you can just watch the Christmas night.
Oh, we're gonna stay here?
But look at this.
Double.
Hey, holy hell, the camera of iPhone looks so much better.
Wait, what is an iPhone here? Which one is an iPhone? Between the two. Why did they get that?
Pre. Double decker. Nag-upgrade na guys ang pang video ko. Denver. Pre, natawag ka pre ni na Michael. Saan tayo ga-video? Zugi, ang dilim. Saan ang simula ng lighting? Putik na po.
Uy! Sinama mo pala si Aba sa pagiging gagi.
Ay, ganda pa pala.
Meron pa pong konting hulang kalakali.
Kala ako, simula na guys. ICD pa ba? Pero hindi, hiwalay-hiwalay sila. Hanapin na lamang. Hello, Jack Lennon.
Adam sila Hasen.
Hasen? Nandun sila sa baba, pre. Start. I am the dude who is everywhere and nowhere.
You're the cameraman.
Literally.
At least he won't die.
And I'm literally the support dude. I literally became a
Supporting
intermission up there
Intermission.
on the stage.
Oh, you're supposed to be in the stage.
Guys, we are going to start now. We're about to start.
Motherfucker has to say that like he's a YouTuber, bro. They're really gonna do this on Dead Night.
Yeah, bro. At least his camera doesn't suck like mine.
Oh damn, yeah, rush.
I'm just position far, and I'm not gonna go with the line, okay? Because I'm not.
Oh shit, they're gonna start!
Let's go! Guys, nagiging invisible na ako.
Patenda.
Jeff, ay, hindi kay Heaven to, pre.
Ay, sige po. I-asin din kasi. Patenda dito. Parang dilogi, nakaano tayo eh. Tapos sila may picture.
Yun na lamang patayin tatlo, magiging invisible na ako. All the lights, not just that. Hindi pala pinatay yun sa harapan doon.
Oh shit, what the hell Halloween theme. Yeah, we're going.
Freaking hell, my camera can... How is iPhone's camera so good? What the freak? Can I go night?
Yours is dark. Yours is darker than his.
So dark. Oh frick! Oh, I can't go 0.5. It's gonna become too dark. Bro, you look like some alien. Okay, dito lang tayo. We might be interrupted.
Somebody should have a lantern. Oh, sure.
I'm just gonna position far.
Are you gonna follow them?
Yes, but not too near.
Yeah.
Because I might get considered part of the GGC, but I'm not. I'm literally just an invisible dude who is hanging everywhere.
I can see why you wear all black. Oh, minus you this one.
Yeah, I'm slowly becoming invisible. Just a few more lights.
I mean, I'm also very dark, but I have some neon lights.
Yeah, that's why. But I didn't wear any, so I can video in the dark.
No one will never see it coming, except for the brightness of the phone, of course.
Oh wait, I can go VRB light.
Yeah, you can go VR, Doug. Welcome to VR, bro. Go to VR chat. What's wrong with this stage? This camera has night vision. Goddamn.
Tanga wala.
Mahirap tumulong pag nagkaroon ng is. Walang mag-reset mo. Walang mag-reset.
I might turn off my camera. This is getting hard to track two phones at once.
How about I carry on?
Oh, does it glow?
Oh, sure. Can carry this. Even though it doesn't sing, I just hold it and I don't know, point it in random directions. Yeah, this is what I handle when I'm recording. Gas mo na. Oh, frick. Heaven, you can do this. Hello guys, magdi-DGC na po. Magdi-DGC na po guys. Ang tagal nang magdi-DGC. But I'm the one who's like why did you bring a bag? It's slowly becoming darker. We just need to close off a few more lights. Just a few more. Like oh, there we go. Just those three. Those freaking 4, 5, 6. How many lights left? Huh?
The lights, take a video about the lights.
Okay, if they
You
turn
go
it on.
there, okay?
Yeah, but I'll video your DGC first. Oh, there's acting. Yeah, that I am here. Oh, see. There's some acting on stage.
Zam.
Holy frick, it looks like it's still normally bright here.
Well, it's also full moon, so that means it's not totally dark. But if it were new moon.
I thought it was gonna be colder than this. It's so freaking hot.
Dito. Now you're
What?
invisible now.
Oh, frick.
Very sad.
Now I'm visible.
Snap your bra now.
When you go, when the lights is about to open.
Yeah. Where is it gonna start?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna boop, 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 boop.
That isn't gonna go with the DGC, right? It's gonna happen after the DGC.
What? No. No, it's gonna happen before.
Oh, okay. Freaking hell.
You'll go there,
Okay.
okay?
I'm gonna try to get the best shots.
Can you?
Yeah. I'm gonna run to that spot. Oh, but these are the ones. Grabe to, guys. STEM A, what the frick? I'm not STEM, good thing I'm not STEM A. I'm ICT. Oh frick! Wait, if they're being called, then I'm just gonna check messages. Mag-aayos ng bangko. What chairs? Nobody said any. Hilukin, anong masasabi mo sa glow party na hindi naman napatay ang ilaw?
Wala, okay lang.
Goods. Nasaan na kin yung pang glow mo, kin?
Nasa pag...
Maglagay na kin.
Ayun, mamaya na.
Wala. Good luck, pre.
Thank you.
I believe in you. Malapit na wari kayo magsimula ay. Anong mas pakiramdam mo? Christmas party or glow party?
Parang glow party pa rin naman.
Ha?
Glow party na may halang Christmas party.
Tama. This feels like glow party mixed with Christmas party. Bro, it's so dark when I go 0.5 here. Pre, ang dilim pre pag 0.5. Yan ang ano pre, energizing music guys.
Boy, nagigit ng para muling ka ba?
Heaven, this is what happens when you're so stressed. Ay, malaka na kayo pala pre. Akala ko malaka na. Tinawag lang pala. That's what happens when you're freaking stressed. Random things. Anyway, is it about to start?
No.
Ah, frick. Just signal to me when it's about to
There's a
start.
countdown.
Huh?
There's a countdown.
What? There's a countdown. Holy hell.
Malubot na agad dito. Ang bilis malubot.
How much minutes is 1 gigabyte?
Ano?
Oh, frick, you didn't convert because mine is 20 minutes per gigabyte.
6.
6 minutes?
Yeah.
Holy. Saan po kuya magasimula po ang Christmas light dito? Saan po magasimula ang bukas po ng... Ah, dito pa lang.
can take care. Okay.
Hello guys, this is welcome.
Eman!
Uy, hello guys.
What are you doing? Mga skateboard.
Uy, dyan na.
Ayun na, bubukas.
Hi. You're gonna get used to this.
I'm steamy.
Sino yun?
Gusto ko lang sa likod. Gano'n pa rin sa likod. Tagal naman!
When will it start?
Magugulat talaga si Heaven. Kay Heaven to.
Palakpakan!
Is it end? Tapos na ba guys? Bro, that was sick as hell. But bro, I didn't manage to record there. I didn't notice there was. Ah, it's fine.
This is for wetting your suit, dude. I'm sweating.
Anyway, here's your phone.
Ghost hunting. Ghost hunting tayo. Ghost hunting, ghost hunting. Tara dun.
Kapalit ka namin t-shirt.
Thank you, players. The torch now shines brightly, reminding us of our shared passions for sports. At this moment, let us take a moment to honor the
Oh.
Last service. 8-4. Straight service. 9-4. Last service. 4-2. Change service. 5-2. Meron na sa ano daw? Wala-wala ka.
Hello guys. Ito po ang ginagawa ni Heaven pag walang magawa. Ay nagbibideo po siya.
Nama you said.
Hello guys, ito po ang ginagawa kapag nagluluto sa gitna ng intramurals.
Saan yan?
Huwag kaming i-video Erwin oh.
Ay ma'am, nautusan po ma'am ako ni...
Sino?
Sino ba talaga abidyohan ko? Oh, yung chicken lang abidyohan.
The chicken in heaven.
Ito po ang iba-ibang part ng chicken. Kung gusto niyo po pag-aralan ang chicken anatomy, makikita niyo po dito na may nakapwesto pong buto. May leeg po ito, tapos may lumalabas po pong dugo. Ibig sabihin medyo uncooked, hindi pa po masyadong naboil ng maayos, pero ayos lang po yun.
Extra flavor.
Ay, naka 0.5 na bigla to, bakit ganun? Yan. Bakit mas malawak yung times 1 ito kaysa sa cellphone kong times 1? What the frick? Si Mark Warren kumakanta.
Go lang.
Yung mahampas ka sa volleyball tapos biglang nagtugtog ng ganyan. Marami grapid. Okay, the whole thing I guess. Nga mas malawak. Wait, hold on. How long? Pag na full storage ka dito, Heaven.
I knew that would hit me.
Ay, dahil pala sa sarili.
Who wants the bones of the chicken?
Ay, si Paul daw po, ma'am.
On my media for my dog.
Para sa aso daw po, ma'am nila.
I don't know for my
Ito po, multiple angles of how to make chicken nuggets. Ay, nako. Magalagay daw ako ng panyo dito. Pawis ako ng pawis sa ano. Tawag daw muna. Magalagay muna ako ng ano. Bandana. Nakakainis.
Chicken.
Dito lang ako sa may mata na pawis.
Sinabi ng nahihirapan.
Parang mas nahihirapan pag Heaven sa atin ah. Extra flavor pa kasi pinagdala yung chicken.
Uy, ang ganda ng
Ay, yung apoy, ma'am.
bagong ano.
Uy, mag-isa na kayo.
Sayang na rin.
Hindi ni Peng aso.
Okay na tayo. Ay,
Pa natin yung chicken pag isa.
Chicken.
ano mo, pero gulay, tas na. Ay, kasi
Chicken.
ay, yung gulay pa. Hati naman na, ma'am, yan.
Kaya may uling pa. May uling pa ba?
Hindi po ma'am alam.
Anak, you chat. Ken?
Erwin. Monster din yung stocking.
Pag-chat anak si Ken.
Ay, okay po.
Sabi uling, baka magkulang.
Anong klaseng uling po, ma'am? Bao or kahit kahoy na po?
Baon nga anak or bao. Anong available?
Kung ano ang available natin.
Madami ba yung uling? Kaya?
Pwede na ba naman isa?
Sa paanak daw, sabi ni Earl. Sabi ng ating cook.
Nakakaingit sa mga marurunong.
Anak, pagbaba.
Chicken.
Mas maganda kung marunong. Oh,
Yo, how long,
better
dude?
kung boys ay marunong magluto.
Dude, how long will this last, bro? Yo, Ben.
Gisa nga
Boys, mag-isa.
Hell no.
Chicken po, ma'am.
Ben, how long will this last for, bro? I've been picturing this chicken.
Patay. Wait, apple.
I'm zoomed into your face, bro.
Ano po maano yun po? Uling po.
Yes, uling. You told Ken to bring uling.
Epic montage of chicken cutting, yes.
May wings pa. Lahat na ng part ng chicken meron tayo.
Egg. May bread din dito.
Ha? Hindi ko na... Sana all, sigaw-sigaw lang kami dito. Pinapawisan na. O, hindi nyo man na sinuport si Heb.
Ano sila?
Papunta ka dun, di ba? Sabi mo, punta ka doon.
Heavy spling.
Dude! Dude! This is the last, dude. Okay, that's it. Okay, picture.
Yeah.